Hi class, today I will be teaching you how to work your way around PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a software designed to create presentations that have different pages or slides. A person can use a PowerPoint for a variety of reasons. Right here is the title page. And this is a page where you're obviously going to insert the title, so we're just going to make one up. Okay, and we want to add more content. So we're simply going to go to the ribbon on top and we're going to hit new slide. You can add as many slides as you want. If you decide that you don't want this many slides, you can simply click on the slide that you don't want. You go to the ribbon and you hit cut. So right here we have our 3 slides. And if you decide that you want, there's a different number of slides that you can use. And if each slide is different, we can say. So right here, we can click on a slide, and if you want to make a comparison, you can easily hit comparison. If you want a slide that you want no kind of text box, you can simply hit blank. So you can see here there's a variety of things that you can do with these slides. It just doesn't have to be a title slide or the first slide. You can get creative and use a number of different slide layouts. So right here, we're going to focus on how to make your PowerPoint pretty, colorful. So we're going to spice it up a bit here. We're going to go to design. And there's a variety of colors that you can choose from, designs, whether you like light colors, dark colors. Right here, you can even click the arrow, and you're going to see all the different designs. We're going to go back, and we're going to keep this simple with the gray design right here. So we can see our color change. We make it a little better right here. Next, we're going to go to transitions. And transitions here is basically how the slide appears when you're presenting it. So there's a variety of ways that you can do to be creative and make your PowerPoint stand out a little bit. So for the first slide, we're gonna hit it with the fade. I'll fade it out here, right here, and you saw the effect. And if you want to see it again, we're gonna preview it. So there we go. The first slide has a fade, and you can see when a slide has an effect or not. It'll have a star right next to it here on the left. If you could see the star right here. The number 2, number 3, it didn't have anything, so it means that it doesn't have any kind of effect. So we're gonna go to number 2, and we're gonna choose wipe. So we're gonna wipe right here, preview it, see if you like it. Perfect. We're gonna go to number 3, and we're gonna push it. Okay. Preview it. Push it. So we can see right here that our 3 slides have animations by the stars. You can even add sound to this. If you're like, you know what, I like the visual effects, but now I want to add auditory effects. So we're going to click on the first slide. We're going to hit it with applause. Let's get a read. There you go. We're going to go to the second slide right here. We're going to hit it with the arrow. We're going to preview it. Sounding good. Let's hit our third slide. A little bit more sound. We're going to hit it with the bomb. We're going to bomb it. There we go. So now we have visual effects as well as auditory effects. So we've done good on transitions. So the last little thing that I want to show you is animations. And we're going to go here, and what we want to animate, we can animate the slide, or we can animate a part of the slide. So right here, I'm going to go to the first slide, and I'm going to click right before the word. So American Revolution, and I want this to fly in. Okay, see how it flies in, and again, you can preview this. Okay. Let's see. Then if you decide that you don't want fly in, you can hit checkerboard. And there you go. And over here you got it tells you what kind of animations that you have, so you can easily exit out of this. No more animations for you when it comes to your title. We're gonna stay here on the same one, American Revolution, and we're gonna hit spin. And there we go. So there's a variety of things that you can do with all of these with all these slides to just showcase your, I guess you could say, creativity, make it less mundane. You could do a lot of things, and this is just a little bit of things. I don't want to bore you here with 20 minutes of something, so I'm going to keep this fairly simple and short. And these are animations, transitions, and things that make your PowerPoint a little better. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.